Cyclist dies after head-on collision with JDF vehicle. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A pedal cyclist died as a result of injuries sustained in a head-on collision with a Jamaica Defence Force Service unit on Thursday morning in Clarendon. His identity has not yet been released by the police. A report said that at around 1 a.m., a Toyota Land Cruiser assigned to the Jamaica Defence Force. A police report said that at around 1 a.m., a Toyota Land Cruiser assigned to the Jamaica Defence Force was proceeding in an easterly direction while the pedal cyclist was traveling in a westerly direction on Manchester Avenue. Upon reaching near the intersection, the Land Cruiser and the pedal cyclist collided head-on, resulting in injuries to the pedal cyclist. The injured cyclist was taken to the Maypen Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. The Maypen police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.